What is a P45, and why should you care about it? If you've ever changed jobs in the UK, you've likely encountered this important document. A P45 is a statement that shows how much tax you've paid on your salary, up to a certain point in the tax year. It's a crucial piece of paperwork that plays a significant role in your financial life. When you leave a job, your employer is required to provide you with a P45. This form serves as a bridge between your old and new employment, containing essential information about your payroll and tax situation. It includes your national insurance number, tax code, and figures relating to your pay and tax up to that point in the year. So, what exactly does a P45 contain? It shows the dates you started and left your employment, your total gross income during that job, and the total tax you've paid up to the date of leaving. If you've had previous employment in the same tax year, it will also show the total gross income and tax paid from that period. For those with student loans, it includes information about any payments made. Now you might be wondering what to do with your P45 once you receive it. The form actually comes in 4 parts, each with its own purpose. Part 1A is for you to keep as your personal record. Part 1 is sent directly to HMRC by your former employer. Parts 2 and 3 should be given to your new employer or the benefits office if you're claiming benefits. They'll keep one part and send the other to HMRC. One of the most crucial details on your P45 is your tax code. Your new employer uses this code to ensure they deduct the correct amount of tax from your salary. Without a P45, your new employer might have to use an emergency tax code, which often results in higher tax deductions until HMRC provides the correct code. A P45 can also be essential for claiming tax refunds. If you stop working and don't intend to receive any further taxable income in that tax year, you might be owed a refund. Having your up-to-date P45 information on record is necessary for HMRC to calculate and pay any refund you're owed. What if you've lost your P45 or never received one? You can ask your previous employer for a copy or a substitute. If that's not possible, your new employer can ask you to complete a starter checklist, which has replaced the old P46 form. This checklist can provide the necessary information to update your payroll record and help avoid emergency tax deductions. It's crucial to verify the accuracy of the details on your P45. Any errors could lead to miscalculated taxes and complications with your tax record. If you find any incorrect information, contact the employer who gave you the P45 so they can produce an accurate one for you and HMRC. Remember, a P45 is different from a P60. While they contain similar information, a P45 is produced when you leave a job, whereas a P60 is issued annually after the end of each tax year for every employment you have. In conclusion, your P45 is a vital document in your working life. It helps ensure you pay the right amount of tax, facilitates smooth transitions between jobs, and can even help you claim refunds. Always keep your P45 safe, check it for accuracy, and make sure you know what to do with each part. By understanding and properly handling your P45, you can maintain an accurate tax record and avoid potential financial headaches in the future. You can find out more about tax rebates and tax calculators at www.taxrebateservices.co.uk.